I recently had a community member named Simon reach out to ask about cleaner wiring for his aftermarket GPS mount that sits just above the TFT display on the Kove 800. A lot of aftermarket companies like Outback Motor Tech are bringing out these brackets to enable you to run a GPS above the TFT display. Tools for this one are going to be super simple. Just a star screwdriver, I have a ratcheting screwdriver, and then a T25 and a T30 Torx. So to begin, we're going to use our T25 to take off the 4 bolts for the screen. Just make sure not to lose the plastic washers behind each screw. And then we're going to switch over to our T30 and undo these 4. Once we have all of the screws removed, this next piece sits on one of the push pins with a grommet, like we see at the lower end of the left and right side panel. So you just need to pull gently from here and it'll pop off. Here's the grommet, and there's the push pin that it pushes into. So you can install however you would like. I like having clean wiring installs where you don't see the wiring for the most part. I think if this was mine and I was doing it, I would be either going through the front here or through the side using one of these rubber grommets, depending on how big the loom is that you need, and installing the grommet here or on the side. It's pretty flat on the back. It would accommodate it well. The sides you could do it, you just need to be careful where you pilot through. The space beneath the TFT screen and where the main loom goes is not waterproof. It's not sealed. There's a big hole in the bottom to above the front fender that any water, dirt can drain out. If you didn't want to run the grommet in the side or on the front, with the loom coming down from the GPS, you could also just notch out the top here, again with the opening down at the bottom behind that loom. Things would drain out, and you do have the screen protecting here, so it might not be a big deal. You do have a gap here as well, so that could be clean. Just make sure that the edges here aren't abrasive to the wiring from the GPS. When you're removing the screw from the inside of this expansion plug, don't put any forward force on the screwdriver. You'll find that it should come out a lot easier. When it comes to these expansion plugs, once you have the screw out of them, sometimes they sit so flush you can't get underneath them. You just take the screwdriver that we used and just gently push from the back. You can easily get them to pop out. Just be careful of the plastics. And next we have a T25 here that needs to be removed. So after we remove that expansion plug here, you can grab down at the bottom and just gently pry these 2 pieces apart. That's going to enable you access down to the main loom coming to the front. You can maybe see it right there above my middle finger. And that's running down from the opening. So the opening, you'll be able to fish the wire or fish your GPS loom down, connect it to the main loom, and that runs nice all the way down to the battery. And then you can hook it up to your heel tech or whatever power system you're using. Thank you again for reaching out, Simon, with the question that you had. It gives me content that I can make for the channel, and I'm sure other people were curious as well on how we get into the front cowl. If you have any other questions, feel free to send me a message. Thanks again for watching, and if anyone else has other questions or ideas for videos, send me a message or comment in any of the videos that I have, and I'll try to do them. They're pretty easy to do, and if it helps, I'm happy to do it.